Morning. We don't have power. I don't know why I shook the camera like this.
Why is cocoon?
Wearing big boy underwear?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Touch that.
Cameron's wearing big boy underwear. He had 3 accidents yesterday, mostly because he waits till the last minute to tell me when he has to go.
Yep, you have a ball.
Easter Bunny gave it to you?
Yeah.
I think they showed that. I think they already know that.
Mm-hmm.
They saw the Easter.
We don't have power right now. The power went out around
I got Disney.
5. Apparently it scared Cameron.
Because he has like 3 night lights, and the big night light, well, one of the night lights that are like in front of him went out, and he likes to see the light in front of him. He had the one that stays on no matter what.
Yep.
If the light goes out, but that's on the side of him, and he wanted that one moved in front of him, and then he was fine after that.
Yep.
It was already like 5:30. He wakes up at 6,
Yeah.
so he was good. But
Yeah, I was in the middle of playing Elden Ring because I wake up early, and I beat the boss and then moved around a little bit, and then the power went out, and so yeah, and it's kind of colder out. I think it's like 30 degrees right now. Actually,
Yeah,
I think it's
it's true.
actually pretty cold, but
and I actually put extra blanket on Cam last night too.
colder. And it was funny because the chimney guy texted me like a couple days ago to ask when he can come over to do the cap, because he was like, oh, I'm free like tomorrow if you want me to go do it. And I was like, I'm still kind of using my stove, and I don't know. I was like, let's do like May, like the end of May, June, when I know I'm not going to be using it, because we still get like 2 days ago it was snowing.
Yeah.
It was weird.
It
So
was on Easter.
yeah, 2 days ago. Oh. But this kid's wearing big boy underwear.
So if he
he's-
did have a couple accidents, as I was saying, it's mostly because he waits last second, and on the way,
Hold on, mom's talking.
and on the way to the bathroom is when he's having an accident. Not like he's like sitting there and like having an accident. It's like on the way there. He's waiting last second. What was the other one that he had the accident?
Figure it out. It's just we.
Oh, 'cause he's like 80% potty trained anyway. So
yeah,
he
we
looks on
just-
the potty and
yeah,
he knows
he-
how to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, it's just right now he's not allowed on the.
lazy.
Yeah, he's just not allowed on the couch because if he has an accident, we don't want to clean up pee off the couch.
Couches aren't like that.
Yeah,
easy to clean.
yeah, no, it would be super annoying.
Hi, guys.
Okay.
Bye.
Don't really have anything to do. I gotta feed the dog soon and take her out. We all got up at like 6 because there's nothing really to do.
Say cheese.
Tea.
It's not a picture, Kim.
All right, you ready? Here, take the paper out. Oh, those are small coffee beans.
What, matcha? What are you talking about?
So I ordered all this just so I could try these.
Milk chocolate. You ordered all that so you could try this tiny little bag of chocolate beans.
I thought there would be way more. I thought the bag was bigger.
No.
And then I love the coffee in general.
Yeah, this is from Emma Chamberlain. So.
Coffee. And then I also ordered all this stuff because they come with a free keychain.
How much you spend?
Oh, can we? I also thought all this stuff was a lot bigger.
No, it's well, I mean, you don't use that much
Yeah,
for
I
this,
know.
right? This is matcha. I don't drink coffee. If it focuses, you're gonna focus.
Oh no, you get free.
Yeah, matcha is up here.
Okay.
Cam's freaking out with the box.
Yeah. Free shipping after $30.
So you spent more than $30.
Yeah.
You can't just order these? No.
So you would have to pay shipping. Keychain. Free. If you spend something. And I wanted these snacky snacks.
Well, there's your snack.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking that same thing. And then I wanted these. They went up in price.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Alright, Kim. Can you give that back to mom?
But I like this because it's not as acidic as the Starbucks one I buy. Not that it even matters anymore because
I feed it.
at first it mattered because
Live
I
your
was
life.
taking my new medicine and
What?
therapy. But now that matcha is because sometimes I just want a yummy drink. Does matcha even have caffeine in it?
I don't know. Yeah.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. I've been waiting for this for like 2 weeks.
Stuff.
I look like a bum because I haven't showered yet, but that's fine.
Yeah, we were outside doing. Oh, I cut my hair. I feel like every time I cut my hair, my beard just like is more for some
I
reason.
also thought these were like the size of like the coffee bags.
Nah.
They're like $10 for this bag.
You're trying. Hi, Cam.
These are like $10.
Do you? Oh, wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know, but I cut my hair. Cam's for whatever reason doing that. But we've been doing yard work, which is just pertain to raking, and we're gonna go outside in a little bit, and Jackie's gonna shovel, which will probably end up being me. The little part in the back. We'll show you guys like later on.
This is more like leveling out because there's like a kind of like a hill behind like his play area, and then like.
Yeah, we'll show you guys that later on. But I cut my hair. Cam's been doing well with potty training, right?
Yeah, he's doing awesome.
Yeah, no accidents today.
He didn't really have one yesterday. It was more like I scared him and he pulled up his pants so early.
Yeah, so technically it's been 2 days without accident. We're doing that. We're just hanging out because we ate lunch. We go outside and do a bunch of stuff. I don't even remember the last thing we vlogged. I know this vlog's gonna be all over the place, but it's been colder. Like 2 days ago it was like 40 degrees or something like that. Yeah, it's a little windy. I'm not having the fire go all day because it's gonna be super warm if I end up doing that. I've been playing Elden Ring, which has been taking years off my life. I feel like I'm very close to death at this point. Yeah, I'm getting like breakouts because I'm sweating. There was like one point where I was fighting this boss and I got like, and it wasn't even a hard boss. It was Renala of the Moon. And I ended up like, at one point I was like super sweaty. I ended up taking my shirt and my pants off because I was like, dude, I'm so hot right now. I don't even know what's going on. But I finally beat her, which is nice. And now I'm just going through and collecting armor and doing some other stuff and side quests. But that game is super cool. I've played all of the Dark Souls games. I don't remember if I finished the second one. I know I finished the first one and the third one, and then Bloodborne. And I haven't beat Sekiro yet, or Sekiro, or however you say it. But yeah, other than that, just been doing a bunch of stuff. I gotta edit this vlog because I haven't edited any vlogs and I'm slacking on that. I'm currently editing this vlog right now. I know it's just like all over the place. I've been turning on the camera like here and there, but we've just been really busy doing a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, I just want to apologize for how all over the place this vlog is, but I'm gonna close out the video here, guys. Really hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, push the bell button, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.